If you're a Tiffin owner, you already know the Red Bay Shuffle. Early mornings, shop bays, and a lot of waiting. But where you stay while your coach is in the shop makes all the difference. Most of us come to Red Bay, Alabama, for one reason: Tiffin manufacturing and service. The routine is standard. Tiffin takes delivery of your RV early in the morning and hands it back to you every evening until the job is done. While there are a few places to park, Red Bay Acres is easily the nicest spot in town. It's designed specifically for the way we travel. Since you're homeless during the day while your rig is in the bay, you need more than just a pad. The clubhouse here is a game changer. It's a massive, comfortable space where you can actually get some work done, grab a coffee, or just hang out with other owners while you wait for that afternoon phone call from the service tech. If you're heading to Alabama for service, do yourself a favor and book a spot at Red Bay Acres. It's the best home base in Red Bay.